that feeling of irritation and force is really small count gonna notice. Do you know it well? If you have applied counter strategy without seeing true results. This video will reveal the game change approach that helped me break through and can do the same for you. Let's go with that. I want kind of surprising story for you. Make sure to watch the video all the way through and it'll be over. Today guys, we're gonna start with that. Classic candles in 10 seconds on time frame. Alright? And for the indicators, we're gonna use kernel channel CCI and super trend. Okay. For the super trend, we're gonna use 8 and 3, and that's the style is up to you if you want to use that color. 11, 6, and 1 for kernel channel. That's style. Background white. And CCI last 1, 13. It's right here. Just select background, guys. I don't like to use that for that one. Okay? So click on save. And now we have all that set up. 1 minute on expiration time. $22 that we're gonna start with that. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay? Just let's go with me, guys. Let's start with that. Alright, guys. So for those who are interested on this, the platform registration link will be in the description of the video. Alright? So don't lose your time. So as for the metal, this metal is used on both box option OTC ads or open pair, regular markets, okay? It's very, very simple, guys. I think one of the main indicators of this metal is CCI. Just take a look on that. It's currently strongly overbought in that. Therefore, it's bullish, for that metal. Okay, as you can see right here, the blue line is just passing through for the green to the red one, as the same for the candle channel. All right, so both indicators. For that CCI, the finally observe the green signal of the super trend is made right here. It always gives me an upper wards, so both indicators. I give me the bullish, that's enter the trade upward direction. Everything is going in that. Perfect. $42, guys. We just got in the first one. Keep in mind that's just one of the strategies that can completely change our path in this market. To truly become a pro, maxing the most profitable strategy is essential. Don't worry, I got you exclusive piece of content ready for you. All right, again, guys, we have another situation similar to one to the previous moment, where all the three indicators clearly give me an upward signal. All right, I have already told you that pay attention to three indicators, CCI and super trend. But as for the green, yellow, red line for the candle channel, that's very, very important. Okay. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. They should move in a specific direction to the downtrend or an uptrend. And the final, in this case, this green candle should be fixed higher. You need to get this. So that's for the candle channel likes, it goes up, the green candles mark the point in the maximal height. Okay. In this metal, it's bullish again for the kernel channel. We just got super trend CCI as well. And of course, look at that. It's just respect right now. 2, 1, and we got this again for $6, almost 6-4 on my account right now. Okay, and what can I say for you? Let's go to the next one. Okay, guys. So for the third position. This situation is relatively different, and I won't use the point. This point is box option TC market, so I'm not using the regular market because there's different principle here. All right, so you only use the kernel channel and super trend, and CSI is not so interesting for us on this case, but you can use that, okay? But I'm trying just using the kernel channel. We got a good downtrend and just start to get a revert right now. Okay. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Look for the exact moment that's higher probability that will successfully cross the position. And this is like the moment the green sign in super trend that starts to give me the signal. That's soon will happen soon. Right? The green candles cross the green line and about the current channel on that. The blue line on CCI just passing through the green to the for that. And look at this. Alright, we just got that. No reverts happening for this. Just following the current channel as I said for you. Alright? That is good one. Just following the current channel. Okay? So keep it in mind, guys. OTC markets here not single medal, so may have a large percentage profit hit. 92% for that. Okay. So I ended with a winning, guys. I think I'm done for today for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to hit the like button, to share the link with your friends, and all my videos is just for educational case, guys. I'm not will ask for money or something like that. Okay, thanks so much for that. Just write in the comments. Act right now. Wish you good profits, good session. See you guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.